lecture of the day is about percentage, ratio, and proportional and their types. First, we have to define percentage. Define percentage. Also give example. The word percent mean out of 100 or per 100. The symbol for percentage is percent. Example: Ahmad takes a test and gets 14 marks out of 20. Out of 20. Find the marks percentage. Solution: marks of 10 is 14. Marks percentage is equal to 14 divided by 20 multiplied by 100%. This is equal to 14 multiplied by 5%. 14 multiplied by 5% is equal to 1770%. How do a percentage and fraction can be interconverted? Percentage is converted into fraction by dividing it by 100. Let us consider let us consider for 20% is equal to 20 divided by 100 is equal to 1 over 5. Similarly, 50% is equal to 50 divided by 100. This is equal to 1 over 2. Similarly, common fraction is converted into percentage by multiplying it by 100. 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 multiplied by 100%. This is equal to 60%. 16 divided by 25 is equal to 16 divided by 25 multiplied by 100%. This is equal to 64%. Explain the term ratio. Also give an example. Ratio is the comparison of two or more like quantities measured in like units. So there are two important points that ratio is the comparison of two or more quantities, but quantities must be like in uh, unit also must be like means same unit. The symbol for ratio is this. If A and B, if A and B represent two magnitude of a, a quantity where B is not zero, then ratio of A to B is written as A ratio B or A by B. Define antecedents Define antecedents in consequent in a ratio. In a ratio A ratio B, the first quantity, the first quantity A is called antecedent and the second quantity B is called consequent. Define proportion. The equalities of two ratio is called proportions. So for proportion, there must be 2 points. There must be two ratios and must be equal. Example 3 ratio 5 and 9 ratio 15 are equal ratio. So can be written, so we can write 3 ratio 5 is equal to 9 ratio 15. Find the value of x if x ratio 3 is equal to 60 ratio 15. We have x ratio 3 is equal to 60 ratio 15. So this can be written as x by 3 is equal to 60 by 15. This is equal to, if we multiply both sides by 3, x is equal to 60 multiplied by 3 divided by 15, and this is equal to 12. So the value of x become 12. Define direct proportion. Define the direct proportions. The quantitative relationship between two quantities such that increase in one quantity causes a proportional increase in other quantities is called direct proportions. Define inverse proportions. The quantitative relationship between two quantities such that increase in one quantity causes a proportional decrease in other quantity, or decrease in one quantity causes a proportional increase in the other quantity is called inverse proportions. What do you know about compound proportions? When one quantity is proportional to one, then to more than one, when one quantity is proportional to more than one quantities, either direct or inverse, then the proportion is called compound proportion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.